This is Ed Kaminsky and another tip of what's inside the residential purchase agreement. A lot of people don't know this. They skip right over it. But you'd be surprised to know that in every real estate contract, there's two words in there. They're in quotes. They're both tiny little words, but they mean a lot. And it states as is. That means when a buyer is purchasing a home, they are agreeing to buy the property in as is condition. What in the world can that mean? Does it mean no matter what condition a home is, you're stuck with it? Does it mean that if the seller sells you a lemon and it breaks down and there's all kinds of problems and they knew about all these problems and you're stuck with it? No, it's not actually what it means. What it means is the home is being sold as is, subject to you as a buyer doing your home inspections in the time frame allowed to confirm the condition is meeting your satisfaction. If you're satisfied with it, great. If you're not satisfied with the condition of the home, you can either request the seller to fix it or you can cancel your contract. Those choices are left for a certain period of time called your inspection contingency time. Now, what happens if the home is a mess after you close escrow? Did you buy it as is? The reality is 99% of the time the answer is yes. You bought it based on the condition the home was in. The only exception to that rule is if the seller was absolutely aware of a negative condition of the property and purposefully did not disclose it to you as a buyer. And in that case, the seller has liability and may have to deal with the consequences of a buyer who discovers this through legal recourse. So yes, when you buy a home after the close of escrow, it's as is. Things break down, it's your responsibility. With the exception, of course, is if your seller did not disclose known issues with the property to you as the buyer. Thanks for listening.